Hi, and welcome to Dropship Wholesale Pros, where our mission and our goal is to help you get started in your dropship or wholesale business. Now, if you're into dropshipping, we have you covered as far as whatever type of supplies you need. We have manufacturers that can get you the best price, the best profit margins that you're going to get. Okay, and you can also use those suppliers for wholesale as well to get the best prices. But if you're dropshipping, you won't have to put the money up front for inventory. The supplier will ship it out for you, and they'll take care of the whole actual fulfillment. Okay. Now, as far as wholesale, you're going to have the money up front. Now, we deal with several types of suppliers: manufacturers, distributors, wholesalers, and liquidation suppliers. Wholesalers and liquidation are similar most of the time, but some differences is that, like, wholesalers most times wholesalers will sell new stuff, but they'll sell it in bulk. And the liquidation, they mostly buy it. They can buy stuff that's new. Some of it may be new, like used. Some of it can be new with tags, and I'll take you through it and show you. Okay, now I'm going to show you the first one is liquidation. A distributor. Now, this is a distributor that I actually deal with. And the reason that you go through distributors is because sometimes you can't deal with the manufacturer. Okay, like somebody like Energizer or DuPont or Honeywell or Rubbermaid right here. These are companies you can't just go to unless you have like $50,000 or better. Okay, so you go through one of their distributors. Okay, now you won't get the good margins like you will with manufacturers, but I'll go through that in a minute. Okay, because these people, you're getting the bigger brands, but they're buying it and then they're actually selling it, reselling it. So you're not actually getting the best price. But I'm going to just log in here and just to show you around a bit. This is my account. And basically what you're going to get when you come in here, they're going to give you you're going to have access to all of their products. Okay, you can see right here, that's all of their products. And we'll just go and let's see. We'll just pick something out of here. Let's see. Let's just pick this. Okay. Now this is stuff that most of these companies, like even Bissell and stuff. But when you come in here, if you click on it, and a lot of these websites, they're not the prettiest. I'll tell you, manufacturers, they do not have pretty websites, most of them, because they don't really care. They're just interested in moving bulk items. They don't care how pretty it is. It's our job to make pretty websites to sell this stuff. Okay? And right here you can see they're going to give you the description and everything else. And this is this one here, this is the wholesale price right here. And what you would do is you would take this price and you would mark that price up to whatever, was ever being sold in the market. You don't want to try to, oversell, because then you won't make sales. Now this is liquidation. This is a distributor. Okay. Now this is a manufacturer, but this is not expensive items, even though this is a manufacturer. And I'm going to show you another manufacturer in a minute, but you can see right here, here's the wholesale price, and they're going to show you, here's the inventory. There's 474 on hand, 206, and they show you when if they run out, the back order, when it'll be more in stock. Okay, because a lot of people, they don't know, like, well, how do I know, how much? Well, here it is. Here's the inventory and everything. Okay, now I'm going to show you some more expensive things like pool tables. Okay, now with these products here, you're looking at products that are a lot more expensive than the ones that I just showed you. These are like $2,000, $1,000. And it's up to you what you want to sell, what you feel comfortable selling. I like to sell expensive stuff. I've sold less expensive things. But when you're selling these types of items like this, you want to shoot for at least 30% margins, okay? And that would give you, let's see if I can, I don't know what my calculator is. Let's see if I can find it. Because, if you're selling stuff like this, and I'll just give you an example, like that's $2,299. Let's just say $2,299, and we would do like 30%. Oh God, I did it wrong. Let's clear this out. Okay, how do you clear this thing? Oh, there it is. All right, 2299, and we would do times 30%, and this is just for something $2,000. You're looking at least $689 for one sale. Okay, and there's some people I know that won't sell anything less than $1,000, and there's some people that feel more comfortable selling things that are less than 100. There's some people that like to sell between 1 and 500. It's whatever your comfort zone. Okay, now here's a manufacturer site. Okay, now when you come here, you won't see any prices on here. Okay, now the reason for that is because they don't want everyone coming to their website unless they know that you're an actual reseller. Okay, they're not going to deal with everybody, and it's real simple to become a reseller. I mean, you can get set up and started in probably less than 15 minutes with all this stuff. Everything that you need is free online, and if you need any help with getting you started, give me a call, and we can actually walk you through the things that you need to get started with your business, whether you're wholesaling or if you're drop shipping. You're gonna need this just so, and it actually to help you so that you don't pay sales tax, and that way you can sell anywhere in the world, and the only place that you pay sales tax is in your actual city or state. So that means you have everywhere where you're selling tax free. Now, what I want to show you, this is inside an actual guy that I partner with, and he actually has his own website. I mean, his own warehouse, and what he does is he does only name brand products, and I'll show you like like this is inside his actual website. I mean, inside his actual warehouse. He actually has when I met him, he was actually working out of his apartment 3 years ago, and this guy now he has 3 warehouses, and he has I think 3 storefronts too. Okay, now I'm gonna show you. This is like some of the products that he gets, and all of this stuff is brand new with tags, like Michael Kors, Marc Jacobs, Cole Haan, Tommy Hilfiger, Coach, Steve Madden, Kenneth Cole. And the beauty of when you're dealing with him is he'll ship it to you, and you can get it at a super discounted price. Super discount. It's going to be even less than if he ships it into Amazon, but everything is already discounted because all of this comes directly from Macy's, brand new with the tags. The stuff that he can't ship to Amazon that's not in the best quality, he puts it into his stores, so you won't ever get anything that's not up to par. Now, that's what I was talking about with liquidation. In liquidation, you can get stuff that is, I mean, some of the best stuff in the world. I mean, and this is designer handbags that he has. He has designer shoes. The guy has bedding. I mean, whatever you want, he can get it. So I showed you the different types of suppliers, and we can help you with any type that you want. If you want manufacturers, you want distributors, you want to sell low ticket items, you want to sell high ticket items. If you want to do the wholesale like I showed you, where you can buy the liquidation items and you can get it at like 75 to 80% off, then give us a call. If you feel uncomfortable here, I think where's the phone number somewhere, but I don't know where. Let's see. Let me come back over here. There it is. You can call us right here. 504-351-4319. We're open Monday through Sunday, 9 to 6 o'clock. If you have any problems, if you have any questions, you give us a call and we'll get you squared away so that we can best fit you, because we want to see you succeed in your business, okay? We want you to succeed. We've had thousands of people that we've helped that have purchased this list, and we haven't had any returns because of our superior customer service. Because I mean, it's only I think $31 or something like that, but all of the other stuff that we do to help you, like all of the tips and what's best for your business and all of the other things that we do, is we go above and beyond. Because I remember when I started this 10 years ago, I didn't have anyone to teach me anything, and I got beat up, battered, bruised, and I was doing wholesale when you had to buy money. So I mean, if stuff wasn't moving, you just had to eat it, take a loss, and find something else and hope that it sold. You didn't have the information that you have now to make better buying choices and better selling decisions like you had back then. It was more like you just had to do things more in your gut. But now you have so much information and you have so much data you can check, and you can say, well, I don't even want to spend my time on that. And we can go into all of that stuff. So if you need any help, Here's the number. Just give us a call and we'll help you with Dropship Wholesale Pros. Give us a call. Thank you.